Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
We are going to discuss health drinks for diabetes care in India and what are their health implications. 14th of November each year is celebrated as World Diabetes Day, and that is the day that we try to generate more awareness among people who are living with diabetes or are predisposed or are pre-diabetic or insulin resistant. In today's column, we will try to understand the synthetic health drinks that are available for people who are living with diabetes and what are the nutritional composition, whether they should need it or not, and so on. Globally, 1 in 10 adults are now affected by diabetes. New statistics released by the International Diabetes Federation in advance of World Diabetes Day on November 14, 2021, showing that 537 million adults now have diabetes. This number is 16% more than 2019 statistics. India houses more than 77 million adults living with diabetes. This number is projected to reach around 134 million by 2045. India's large diabetes population presents a lucrative opportunity to many companies in developing and marketing an array of nutrition supplements, including sugar-free, quote-unquote, health drinks that promise to provide optimum protein, fiber, and micronutrients. These health drinks are also prescribed by qualified health professionals to promote health, lose weight, manage blood sugar level, and so on. But are these drinks nutrient dense as they claim? Are they bringing some additional nutritional benefits to people living with diabetes? How about we find out? Let's talk nutrition first. A closer look at the ingredient list of synthetic diabetes drinks is a must when you consider buying such products. Most of these are marketed as sugar-free, claiming no presence of table or white refined sugar. That doesn't mean they don't contain any other form of sugar, such as fructose, soy polysaccharide, etc. Most Indians don't even know the nutritional composition or impact of fructose on human health. These drinks are loaded with artificial sweeteners such as sucralose, aspartame, saccharin, etc. The benefits of artificial sweeteners are constantly debated due to the conflicting results obtained from scientific research. Artificial sweeteners make you eat more, delay your satiety. One small study with 14 female participants found that substituting sugar-sweetened drinks for diet drinks increased calories consumption. In another study, 20 participants consuming aspartame chewing gum reported increased hunger. Artificial sweeteners are sweeter than normal sugars with zero calorie content. The purpose of artificial sweeteners is to satisfy the sweet tooth without causing diseases or raising the blood glucose level. However, research has found that artificial sweeteners trick the brain into perceiving they are harmless to consume in large quantities, which in turn leads to eating more, gaining more weight, and taking more time to digest. Mindless consumption of artificial sweeteners thus may bring negative health outcomes. Long-term consumption of these sweeteners is found to double the risk of obesity. What's more, researchers found an association between drinking diet soda and higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes in 66,000 participants. Research also noted the damaging effect of artificial sweeteners on the gut. Aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are non-caloric artificial sweeteners that may alter the gut microbiota and cause diabetes type 2. Scientists found that artificial sweeteners can transform the gut microbiome into harmful microbes and cause serious health problems such as blood poisoning. Inconclusive research on the potential benefit of artificial sweeteners calls into question why people with diabetes and high blood glucose levels are being advised to consume sweetener-laden health drinks. The next ingredient on this list is maltodextrin that makes this health drink poor choices for diabetes management. Maltodextrin is a powdered form of starch obtained from corn, potato, wheat, etc., and used as a common additive. This is cheap as well. So this is used as a common additive in multiple foods to increase their shelf life, improve texture and flavor. The glycemic index of maltodextrin ranges from 106 to 136, much, much higher than table sugar. And so it raises the blood sugar levels sharply. This spike in blood glucose is particularly harmful to people living with diabetes, pre-diabetes, at risk to develop diabetes or insulin resistance. Maltodextrin, in fact, also affects the gut health by suppressing the growth of good bacteria in the digestive system, altering the microbiota culture to make the host susceptible to multiple diseases. The third ingredient of concern in all these health drinks, by the way, you can find the link of the health drinks that we are trying to talk here in the column itself. And you should know that what are those drinks that we are particularly talking about. Now, most of these drinks contain seeds oil derived from corn, soybean, and sunflower seeds that are higher in omega-6 and enhance the risk of inflammation. Unattended inflammation is a potential risk factor to develop some common lifestyle disorders such as heart diseases, obesity, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. So almost all health drinks of diabetes care contain artificial flavor, colors to enhance their appearances. Often these are found in strawberry, vanilla, chocolate flavor, and presented in multiple colors. FD and C red 3, FD and Y yellow, FD and C blue. So these are some common artificial colors that manufacturers use to make the drinks more appealing, acceptable. These are not pocket friendly. So apart from nutrition, if we see the cost of a whole bottle or maybe a packet, you would be surprised to know that other than containing hazardous chemicals, these drinks are costly, ranging between 300 to 2000 INR and higher. Because of the false or half-truth health claims, many people buy these drinks on a monthly basis in the hopes that they will help with blood glucose control, provide them with essential nutrients and energy throughout the day. Having said that, as a nutritionist, I would like to ask, should a sick person eat anything artificial at all? Diabetes is a serious metabolic disorder that can cause multiple health complications if not managed scientifically. There are countless versatile, nutrient-dense whole foods that can offer a balanced diet plate to people who are predisposed, diabetic, or insulin resistant. Additionally, eating meals instead of meal replacers is crucial to avoid monotony. I encourage people living with diabetes to adopt a holistic approach in managing their health condition that involves nutrition education, menu planning, reading nutrition labels, how to select nutritious foods as part of their comprehensive diabetes education.